News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Continuing to track showers and thunderstorms tracking through portions of the state of Maryland. Lots of us seeing some rain. Not everybody seeing all of the electricity, though, and that's where it's at right now in portions of Cecil and Kent counties. The good news that severe thunderstorm warning that was in the northern half of Cecil County has been allowed to expire, but still tracking some energy. Look at that cluster of lightning. I bet it's quite the lightning show over in Elkton. Whenever we actually take a look at what else is in the region there, we're looking at hail, and we see even some locations picking up to 2 inches of rain per hour. So we're concerned about the winds that are a bit breezy, but we're also concerned about the rainfall. That could definitely lead to some localized flooding. If you're a person who's working that third shift, make sure that you are taking it easy out there on the eastern shore. As we turn the page to tomorrow, unfortunately, there's another day where we're going to be tracking some rain opportunities and some cloud cover. And the cloud cover actually going to help us out a little bit. It's going to keep us a little bit cooler as this front slides through the area. We'll see some early morning showers heading into the afternoon. I think we'll see some on the back end try to whip around, so I'm keeping that rain chance in the forecast for the afternoon, and to see some thunderstorms developing as we head into the evening. The good news, the risk for severe weather remains to our south, but we still could see some rain that gets a little bit intense. High pressure starts to build in on Saturday, and that will start to change our dynamics up for a little bit. But heading out the door tomorrow, have the umbrella because rain chances will be lingering. Could see a thunderstorm or two, not expecting any severe, while temperatures struggle to get into the upper 80s. So going to be much cooler than the numbers that we've seen for most of the week. Heading into Saturday, we'll see the normals warm up a little bit, more sunshine, temperatures warm into the lower 90s as high pressure dominates our forecast. Have a new tropical storm right now in the Gulf of Mexico, and it has been tightening up. You can see in those last couple of scans there, it's starting to look more like a tropical system, starting to rotate a little bit and starting to see convection develop around that center. Wind sustained at 40 miles per hour, gunning towards Texas at 7 miles per hour, expecting to make landfall as a tropical storm. Further out in the east, we're looking at another tropical storm, Gonzalo. We've been tracking this for a couple days. 60 miles per hour sustained winds, expecting it to try to intensify into a hurricane within the next day, but then eventually weaken as it makes its way into Caribbean where there's dry air and there's also wind shear. So no worries as far as that's concerned over the next few days. Have to keep our eye on it to see where it goes beyond. Where we're going beyond today is cooler numbers tomorrow and then back into the 90s on Saturday. Sunny conditions for most of the weekend as we head back into the work week. Those daytime highs climb back into the upper 90s where we start to look at triple-digit heat indices again. And we're looking at the chance of rain returning by Tuesday.